What's cracking, you guys? Today's altcoin of the day is going to be none other than the most bullish altcoin there is out there, currently sitting at all-time highs, and a drum roll for SUI. That's right. Now, if you have been following the SUI trade setup with me so far, you're up a good 70% on this trade. SUI was one of those trades that I highlighted about a month ago on Discord. This is what I posted on the public Discord chat. If you're not already on there, get into the Discord chat because there's a lot of good people posting a lot of good alpha. Now, this is what I said. I said the SUI bulls are definitely hitting the throttle here. The chart looks good. It's taken out the April highs, plus triggered a bullish cup and handle formation. Currently up at resistance, yes, but confirmations over resistance is gonna send it. I even gave you guys the entire resistance zone, which is this purple box territory. I then published this video. Now for starters, let's consider SUI up against that key region of resistance, which is that purple box territory. Remember, I'm looking for a daily close over. Not only did we get a daily close, guys, just look at this candle. It's a full body candle right there. That's a powerful, powerful candle. When you see something like that, that shows immense bullish momentum. But now question is, right, can we actually expect that continuation to the upside? Guys, SUI from here can actually fly even higher because check this out. We've actually triggered this beautiful cup and handle like formation on the reversal. Right, so this is the cup and handle like formation. This is where today is the official break of the cup and handle. And if I plot the measured move, this will actually take SUI up to all-time high, $2.63. From where price is at right now to the target, that's a good 90%. And fast forward 1 month later, prices are currently at $2.10. However, don't get this twisted. 263 is still very much a target that I'm looking at because remember, that is the measured move of this beautiful, beautiful cup and handle formation that we were looking at, and it broke right here the last time I did cover SUI. From where price is at right now to 263, that's still a good 25% on that trade. Now, I will be posting similar trade setups on the Mango Discord chat and under the premium video section on the Mango dashboard, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled on both channels. Now, as far as SUI is concerned, guys, I believe the major range of oscillation comes in from $1.93 going all the way up to $1.63. And for those of you looking for deeper pullbacks, I'll be very honest with you guys, okay? I don't see a deeper pullback coming to us until we break $1.93 to the downside. So I'm looking for weekly closes underneath $1.93 for me to be like, okay, we're likely going to see a major pullback on SUI. Until we do that, I think we actually have a higher probability of prices actually rallying to the top of the range at $2.63. And why the conviction in that? Because if I'm being completely honest, like my entire macro analysis, I believe we're getting into altcoin season. I actually posted my entire thesis on why I believe we're getting into altcoin season under the Mango Dashboard Premium videos, but because of how crucial this was, I actually made it public for everyone to view. So I'll be linking that video in the end cards if you haven't already watched that. Now, for those of you looking to capture a trade on SUI, perhaps to even ride it to the top of the range at $2.63, is it good to be buying right here? Like, would I personally buy in right here? No, because I believe we're sort of in the middle of the range, right? Because remember, our range comes from $1.93 all the way up to $2.63. So the main question is, can we actually get to a retest of $1.93? So essentially something like this. Prices come down, retest, and then rally to the upside. Well, to get a good gauge on that, let's get into the dashboard. Let's go ahead and filter out SUI from this list. SUI USDT, drop down. Alrighty, so 12-hour to the weekly time frame, the bulls have taken over across the board. In fact, if you're someone like me and you had an alert set on SUI like I have one right here, you probably got an email telling you that, hey, SUI actually flipped bullish. This happened 2 weeks ago, and if you managed to catch a trade on that, you're already up a good 21% sitting stress-free on that trade, so you can add to your position without any worry, right? Now, 12-hour to the weekly, bullish across the board. The volatility profile is very, very healthy. Okay, telling me that if the bulls want to take over here, they can in a big way. Not just that, daily flags, guys. There's potential bullish divergence on the daily time frame. However, I'll say this. If there's a pullback that has to come to us, it's likely going to come to us in the 4-hour time frame or the 12-hour time frame. All right, and that is primarily owing to this. Check out the 12-hour trend. It's currently bullish. Okay, this bullish trend flipped 19 hours ago, but the bulls have not seen any follow-through. Okay, for the past 19 hours, there's been a battle on that 12-hour time frame. So with that, let's get into the 12-hour right here. And let's switch on the Mango dynamic indicator. Okay. Seems to be the bid, guys. This is the bid right here. Okay, we are currently on dynamic support, and it's honestly been guiding the entire uptrend so far since, well, over the past 1 month. Okay, September 6th all the way to now. Notice how every touch of the dynamic cloud has been picked up by the bulls. Now, once again, we're back at dynamic support. For those of you who want the range on that dynamic zone, please go ahead and take note of it at $2.06 going all the way down to $2.04. It's a very, very tiny zone, but it's an important one nonetheless. And managing a trade off of that region is going to be very, very easy. Remember, if you're taking the trade, guys, there is going to be trade management, okay? Because if prices break, so if we see a 12-hour close underneath it, you've been invalidated on the trade, you then try and get out at the retest of the cloud, and that's when I would look for prices to come down even lower. And that's when you can possibly even gun for a lower bid. Where to next from there? Well, get into the 2-day. Once again, keep that dynamic indicator on. All right, we have, well, you have weekly support at $1.93, but it would be really, really awesome to catch a bid on the 2-day dynamic support. Because if you guys have been following the story on SUI for the past, not just 1 month, guys, for the past 6 months, Sean actually gave you guys a signature on SUI, basically SUI relative to the 2-day dynamic. Okay, it catches the entire uptrend very, very well. And even if we're not getting cute with catching bottoms and catching tops, and we only caught it from when it broke dynamic as resistance and then broke dynamic once again as support, you still managed to bag a 270% on that trade. A very, very handsome profit. And if you're someone trading SUI aggressively, it is definitely worth getting the dynamic. No better time considering there's a sale on. But for those of you who want the range still, it comes in from around $1.82 going all the way down to $1.68. Today is Meme Coin Monday, so I will be covering a meme coin next. I'll see you guys there. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.